Hi, my name is Luke, and this is how to install an Outlook Express icon for a Firefox Navigation Bar. Unfortunately, there's no direct and easy way to install an Outlook Express icon. It's meant to work with Internet Explorer. However, you can use the Get Mail extension for Firefox and then point it over to Internet Explorer. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Firefox web browser and search for the Get Mail extension. You can hit Add to Firefox and then Allow, and this will automatically install the extension for you. Once installed, go to your extensions or add-ons in Firefox, go to Get Mail Plus, click Options, and in the Set Path to an Email Application, type Mail to and colon. For the Set Path to Webmail, blank it out or set the path to your Outlook webmail if you have one. Click OK. And then at the top of the toolbar, right-click, hit Customize, and scroll down to where you see Get Mail. You can then drag the Get Mail icon to the toolbar in the top right, and now when you click on it, it will open up Outlook. And that's it.